Let me show you how you can make money in dollars from any part of the world, especially if you are in Africa. If you're in Nigeria especially, you know how important it is for you to earn in dollars. Firstly, because dollar is a more stable currency compared to your naira, and also because the conversion rate is crazy. Like $1 is converting at about 1,600 naira as at the time of doing this video, right? There were times when we were almost converting at 2,000 naira. So you need to know that earning in dollar is one of the ways you can secure your finances, one of the ways you can earn more. A person who earns in dollar earns about almost 2,000 times what somebody who earns in naira earns. Imagine earning in a more stable currency and coming back to spend it in naira. You'll be balling. So here are some ways you can earn in dollars. And guess what? Most of these things are things you can do on the side. They do not in any way interfere with your business or with your full-time job. You can do these things by just bringing out 1 hour daily or 2 hours daily. You can actually build a sustainable business that helps you to earn in dollars from any part of the world. If you are ready, give this video a thumbs up and share so that we can get straight into it. These things I'm going to share will blow your mind. These are things that have helped me earn in dollars, helped my students and my mentees to earn in dollars, and I'm about to share them with you for free. So if you're ready, click on the share button, and let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to work on your mindset. You need to understand that money is everywhere. Money is not scarce. I think this is one of the first things I did that helped me start seeing money around me. See, you don't have to have the mindset of, oh, 10 people are doing this thing, maybe the money in this thing is going to finish. No, there is abundance. All the while we've been crying about inflation, scarcity, guess what? Money has not left this earth, this world. The money is still here. There is no money that evaporated and entered into Mars. All the monies, the currency, the dollars, the euros, the pounds are still on the surface of the earth. But there are people that are holding it. Now you need to ask yourself, how do I collect this money from the people that are holding it? So remove your mindset from how do I make money, how do I blow, to how do I collect money from people that are holding the money. There are people that have the money you need in their pockets. And they also have needs that you can provide, right? So there has to be an exchange. You have to give them what they want, and then they give you what you want, which is the dollars that is in their account. So one of the easiest ways you can do this right now is to get a high-paying skill. Get a skill that does things for people. Get a skill that helps people make money. In fact, that is the skill. If once you just hear high income skill, your mind should just go to skills that help people make money. These are high income skills that help people either make money or save money or multiply their money. So what kind of skills are these? There are so many skills like that. There's something called copywriting. That's one of the most popular high income skills in the world today. Like, you help people write copies for their businesses, you help them write copies for their brands, and then you get paid, right? So what are copies? Copies are simply write-ups that are used to convert people, to get people to sell something. So if I'm running an ad, the write-up I put there is a copy. Or maybe if you go to my sales page on my website, that write-up that is there, everything that is written there was written by a copywriter. Now, there are so many international brands that are looking for copywriters to help them sell their products. And when they sell their products, they'll be able to get profits. So ask yourself, what skill do I have, or what skill can I learn that helps people to either make more money, save their money, or invest their money rightly? I've mentioned copywriting. Another one is media buying. You can help people get clients on the internet, maybe through Meta advertising, Google advertising. This is another skill that helps people and industries to actually make more money. Sales is another skill. Sales in general, helping people close sales, generating leads. These are other skills that actually help businesses and individuals to make more money. So ask yourself, which of these skills can I learn? There are a number of them. Which of them can I learn right now and actually position myself to find the clients that will pay me this money? Now, the first thing I'll ask you to do is don't look for the clients yet. Look for how you can learn this skill very well. If you're choosing copywriting, you take a course on copywriting, you take courses on copywriting, you pay somebody to teach you copywriting, and most importantly, you practice, because you don't just learn by reading books and taking courses. You write copies for yourself, you imagine a business and write copy for the business, right? You run ads with your copy, you see the conversion rate so that you can actually get results and get proof of the fact that your copies convert. And then next thing you need to do is to find international clients that will pay you for this thing. But you cannot have the confidence to find these clients if you've not built your muscles. So I would suggest to you, first of all, write copies for yourself. If you have a business, use your copies to try and sell your business and see the results. Oh, I had 70% conversion rate with this my copy that I wrote for my own business. If you have friends, tell your friends, oh, Choma, please let me write a copy for your business. It's for free. I just want to test my copywriting skills. All you have to do is give me a testimonial in return if this copy converts for you. Do you understand? So you talk to your friends, you even meet random people on the internet. I've had people walk up to me or chat me up on Facebook, Instagram, and tell me, oh, Kemjii, I want to write a copy for you for free. All I want is your review or your feedback or your testimonial after you use this copy, if this copy converts. Or I want to write your next sales page, right? You don't just sit and fold your arms and wait for somebody to pay you. If you're a beginner, it might be hard for people to trust you if you don't have any testimonial to show them that, okay, you know this stuff, right? So you have to reach out to people and say, okay, hi, let me just write a copy for you. It's free. Why you have to say it's free is because I'm not going to be willing to invest my money into somebody that I don't know the person's capability. But if it's free, well, I have nothing to lose. Write the copy, let me try it out. Do you understand? So you write it for them in exchange for a testimonial, for a review, for proof that your copy converted. And now you now have the muscle, you now have the mind to walk up to international clients and ask for payment. Now, where do you find these international clients? You can find them on social media. Also, reach out to them one-on-one. There's a video I did on this channel about how to code DM, how to send messages to people, reaching out to them and closing deals. I will link it up in the description. The other way you can actually get clients for this new skill that you just learned is on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Favour. There are a lot of them, but I'll just settle with Upwork because Upwork is literally the most popular and they have a good number of people looking out for clients. So remember, I used copywriting as an example. So you go on upwork.com and then you click on create an account. You create an account as somebody who is a talent. You create an account as a freelancer and then you set up your profile, put your picture, put your bio, put a bio that gets people to know who you are and what you do, why they should choose you, why they should decide to work with you and all of that. Then you put your pricing, you put your name, you put everything that makes somebody to stop and say, oh my God, this guy is good. Next thing you need to do is start searching for jobs in your niche. Start searching for jobs that relate to the skill that you have. So make sure you, once you see a job, you look out for the requirements, check the requirements very well. Don't be too eager to apply. Check if you fit into the requirements, and then you can now bid for the job. You can now send in your cover letter or your application for the job, and then the person who needs the job will select somebody, go on an interview, and then if you are the one, they choose you, and automatically you are paid in dollars. Upwork will just take a little percentage fee from it, and the rest of the money goes to your account in dollars, hard currency. So if you're looking to earn in dollars, this is one thing that would actually work very well for you. You should try it out. The second thing you can do right away if you want to start earning in dollars is to sell digital products, is to monetize your knowledge. I've been talking about digital products for a long time, and I even have a 21-day online school, the Information Product Academy, where I teach people how to create digital products like ebooks and online courses out of their knowledge, their skills, and their passion. So if you want to join the school, I'll put the link in the description so that you can register for the next batch. So back to what I was saying. You can sell your knowledge to people in any part of the world. I've had people pay for my courses in dollars, in euros, in pounds, in different currencies. All you have to do is make sure that you do your research properly to be sure that you're creating a product that does not just fit to one sector of the country or Africa. No, you create a product that has an international audience, right? You create a course on a topic that has an international audience, which is something you need to make sure of. And the next thing is you need to put these courses on international hosting platforms. That is where you can actually receive payments from any part of the world, and that's also where you can reach different kinds of people. Put the course on international hosting platforms. Some examples are Seller, SELAR. I have a full video on how you can create an account on Seller, create your sales page, and I'm going to put it up in the description right away. So on Seller, you can just create a sales page for your course, you host it there, put out, all you have to do is just copy your link, post your link anywhere, post your link on WhatsApp, post your link on Facebook, post your link on YouTube, like I always do, and that is how people will just come, pay for it from different parts of the world, and you receive your alert in your bank account. So all you have to do is create a simple online course, create a simple ebook, something you can even do with AI like ChatGPT. There's a video I'm going to put in the description on how you can use AI to create ebooks in few minutes. That's all you need to do. You create this ebook, you give it a name, you put it on Seller, you copy your link, and you are good to go. You just start promoting it, and with every sale that you make, you are getting paid in different currencies of the world. Isn't that amazing? So you can create your Seller account right now, and it is free. The only time Seller charges you is if you make a sale. They collect about 5% of the sale as their transaction fees, and that is just it. Every other couple goes into your bank account as the owner and the creator of the course. Isn't that mind-blowing? So that's number 2. You just need to create an online course or create an ebook, put it on international hosting platform like Seller. There are other ones like Coursera and Udemy. Last but not the least, drum rolls. This one is absolutely my favorite because I just got paid last week from YouTube, and the third way you can earn in dollars is starting a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel. I don't know how else to sing this. I started this YouTube channel and it's already paying me in dollars every month. I have screenshots to prove of this. So why people are screaming that dollar is high or dollar is this, I am getting paid in dollars just because I set up my camera and I'm talking and I'm giving people the knowledge they want, and I'm getting what I want in return. YouTube pays you every month once you reach the monetization criteria, which is about 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Now, first step you need to take to start earning from YouTube is to decide on the kind of channel you want to create. There are niches that you select, there are industries that you select in your YouTube channel that actually are the most profitable niches that are easy to monetize and get views and also money. In my next video, I'll be showing you the top 5 profitable niches that you should consider creating your YouTube channel around if you really want to set it up for profit. So start a YouTube channel and then be consistent. Create quality content, show up as often as possible, create content that is actually what people are searching for and what people are interested in learning, and then make sure you do your best to hit the monetization criteria. Once you do that, you apply for monetization and you are monetized, and YouTube starts to pay you in dollars. Now, that's not the only way you can actually earn from having a YouTube channel. You can actually sell your digital products, the one I talked about in number 2. You can sell them in your YouTube channel, the way I just talked about my Information Product Academy. And I always put the link in the description. And guess what? Every day, people are clicking on that link from different parts of the world to register for my academy. People that I have never met from anywhere because they have seen the value, and I've actually used this YouTube channel as an opportunity to show myself. If you're looking to earn in dollars, I would recommend 100% that you start a YouTube channel. And guess what? I have something for you. If you want to start a YouTube channel and you don't know how to get started, you don't know what to do, you don't know where to start from, you don't know the profitable niches, you don't know how to optimize your channel, this is sound like jargon to you, relax baby, relax. I have something for you. So I'm putting together this amazing course called the YouTube Launch Blueprint. I will show you every single thing you need to know to start and optimize your own YouTube channel from scratch. Get your YouTube channel ready and prepared for profits. Are you interested in this? Yes, you should be. It's currently on pre-order right now. From now till 24th of this month, you can actually save over 60% if you pre-order this course. All you have to do is click on the link I'm going to put in the description, or the link I'm going to put on the screen. Guess what? If you pre-order between now and the 24th of this month, instead of paying $10, you pay just $3.5 only. That is a crazy discount I'm giving, and because once the course launches, it goes back to $10 and it is not coming down again. In fact, it goes up every month, every single month. So you don't want to miss this opportunity. I'm going to be sharing some of my YouTube secrets, how I've been able to get to 12K, I've been able to get paid every month, and different things that I do to help my YouTube channel grow, which you can also do as a beginner to start your own YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, and get the results that you want. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Do these 3 things if you want to start earning in dollars from today, and you'll be amazed at the results that you get. Remember, be patient. Don't look for get rich quick scheme. None of these things are get rich quick. All these things need you to be dedicated. They need you to put your head down. They need you to put in the work. So don't say, I just created a course now, why is nobody buying? Put in the work. When you put in the work, you will definitely see the results and the profits that you want. Don't start a YouTube channel today and start looking for profit today. It doesn't work that way. Please, just be willing to learn, just be willing to unlearn, and be willing to put in the work. So if this video made any sense to you, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment and tell me the one that you're going to start doing right away. If it's YouTube channel, comment YouTube channel. If it's Upwork, comment Upwork. If it's digital product, comment digital product. I want to see the one that wins, the one that has the highest comment. I'm going to do a separate video for it next time. So if I see Upwork like 20 times and others are just once, that means I'm going to do a video on Upwork, a full-blown video on Upwork next video. So the voting starts. Anyone that has the highest votes is the one that I'm going to do a full-blown video on in my next few videos. All right, guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to share. Please share this video if it made any sense to you. Copy the link, post on your WhatsApp status, post everywhere possible. Get as many people as possible to see this content and also learn from it. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.